The first Facebook page we're going to accomplish is trying to complete a task before the microwave reaches 0. It has 100,870 fans. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do with the microwave is to see how many Chinese restaurants we can get to hang up on us before it reaches to 0. Right. Okay, so I'm going to wait over there while she calls the first person, and as soon as she finishes, I'm going to call the person that's on us. Right. Okay, ready? Call. Let me put the camera so.
Hi, can I have pizza with pepperoni? One pie with pepperoni. Pizza. 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 Hello?
Okay, my turn. She's saying pizza.
Hi, can I have a pizza with pepperoni? A pizza with pepperoni.
Is that the same one?
No.
Hello? I called this one.
And so did I.
You did.
I called the 7-800.
Nice, we called the same person.
Called you. It was the same woman. I never recognized the voice.
Wait, I'm gonna call this one.
Okay, got one.
Call.
Oh crap! I forgot.
Call.
7.
Call. Call quickly. Call.
Smells good.
Hello, try to do hello. We only have 27 seconds.
All right, you have yours.
Hopefully it's a different one of those. Yeah.
Hi, can I have a pizza with pepperoni? Can I have pizza with pepperoni? Hello? I'm very hot. You guys hit him off.
3 seconds. Ah, too late. Okay, so that would make 4, right? Or 3?
3.
We had 3 people to hang up on us, and I think the same one was twice. But it was still cool. So, yep, that was the first one. So, see ya. Gonna eat some popcorn now.
Hi.
So the next thing we're going to do with popcorn is we're going to try and teach me Thug Story by Taylor Swift, and I'm going to try and figure that out in a minute and
50 seconds.
50 seconds, because 2 minutes was too long last time we burned it. So, what are you doing?
I accidentally X'd off.
Okay, so I'm gonna try and learn it now. Okay, so set, go. I'm like 8'4", blonde hair to the floor. You shorties ever thought I dreamed about rapping hardcore? Okay, I'm like 8'4", blonde hair. On the, come help me! Blonde hair on the floor. To the floor.
Shorty.
Shorty never thought of something. Thought I'd dream about rapping hardcore. Yeah. Okay. No, I ain't got a gun. No, I never really been in a club. Still live with my parents, but I'm still a thug. Okay. Boom. But I don't know. I ain't got a gun. No, something. Woohoo! No, I never really been to a club. I still live with my parents. Is that next word? And but I'm still a thug, right? Okay, so from the beginning. Okay. So I'm like 8'4", blonde hair on the
To the floor.
To the floor.
The shorties.
Shorties never thought I'd be rapping hardcore. No.
Never thought I dreamed about.
Dream about rapping hardcore. No, I ain't got a gun. I ain't got a gun.
But you do have a minute.
No, but I've never really been to a club. I still live with my parents, and
What's the word that it's making you about?
I'm still a thug.
Yes.
Okay, that's right. I'm so gangster you can't find me. You can find me baking cookies all night. You out clubbing, but I just made caramel delight. Okay, I'm so gangster I made cookies all night. You can find me baking cookies all night. Wait, I'm so gangster. You can find me baking cookies all night. You out partying, but I'm making caramel delight. You out clubbing, but I'm making caramel all night. But I just made caramel delight. T Swift and T-Pain rapping on the same track. Oh yeah, I remember that from the video. Okay, it's a thug story. Tell me, can you handle that? Wow. Well, that was a failure. Really? You brought to put the popcorn in? Okay, well, we're gonna continue that as the video because it did go down to 0 and
It was 1 minute and 50 seconds. Just we didn't pop popcorn.
but I did amazing on that song.
Are
Yeah.
you gonna upload that?
I'm a rapper. Okay. Well, so that's the end of this part. See us later for our next video about the next Facebook page, which we still have to find. Okay, bye. Wait, I have to click it. Bye.
Bye.